Hi friends, this is your memory coach, Squadron Jaisima, the President World Memory Sports Council for India. Welcome to our series on scientific study and memory techniques. In this video, we shall see how we can remember 10 longest rivers of the world. How to remember? What are 10 longest rivers? Let me just show you the 10 longest rivers. This one river called Amazon River, and then Nile River, and then Yangtze River, and then Mississippi River, Yangtze, this one river, Yellow River, Obi River, Congo River, Amur, and then Lena. So these are the top, longest rivers of the world. I need to remember. See, the thing is, your teacher is telling you to remember these 10 rivers. And when you go for UPSC exam, Bank PO exam, or you take up any competitive exam, now one question will come on this 10 long rivers. You will have multiple choice question, true or false question, or you need to write all the 10 rivers. How do you remember? Only thing is you keep on by hearting. By hearting is one of the memory technique, not the only technique. For that, we should not use that method. What we should use? We should use something called visualization method. But visualization means what? I need to visualize a story in my brain. Story to visualize, for me, everything should have a picture. For example, Amazon. I can get still some picture. Amazon means what? I get something called Amazon. Okay. So what I'm going to do? First of all, I'm going to convert them into picture. So I'm going to do this. Okay. Look at this. Amazon means what? Like Amazon. Okay. Website. N-I-L-E. Nail means what? Nail. Nail means what? Like something you're going to put it in the wall. Okay. That is a nail. Okay. I'm just making picture. Yangtze means what? Hanger. Okay. Hanger. I'm substituting this word with this hanger. When I say hanger, now I remember Yangtze because Yangtze, hanger. Alright. And Mississippi. So now look at this. There's one thing called Miss. Means your English miss. She is sipping. What? She's sipping some pie. Okay. Miss is sipping pie. Look at this. Miss is sipping. Okay. Your teacher sitting in the chair. She's sipping a cup of coffee or pie. NC means what? I remember something called hens. Okay. Hens. Okay. So Yangtze, hanger. NC means hens. Okay. Yellow River. Yellow means what? Like simply remember yellow. Look at this. All of them are yellow in color. Yellow River means yellow color. OB, I don't know. I know somebody, AB de Villiers. You know him? RCB, IPL, and along with Virat Kohli is a super batsman, AB de Villiers. Okay, AB de Villiers. Okay, AB means OB, and the next one is Congo. I don't know, but kangaroo. Okay, I remember kangaroo. Okay, that is the bird. Okay, that's the animal. Australia. Amur, I don't know. I know something called Amma. Amma means my mother. The next was Lena, I don't know, but I know something called loan. Okay. So I'm trying to make some pictures. And how do I make a picture? Now I'm going to make one story, a small story. How I'm going to make a story? Okay. Imagine I'm going to make one story. Now I'm going to rearrange them. Okay. I'm making some story. So Amma means your mother. Okay. She told AB de Villiers to place an order for nails. And what did AB de Villiers do? He went to Amazon, he placed order, and then what happened? Some yellow hens, they came and they delivered hangers. Instead of nails, they delivered hangers. And then AB de Villiers didn't know what to do. He came to her class and your miss, he saw, and she was sipping some pie or coffee, and he told her, I got this hanger. And she said, okay, we cannot return it back to them. So give it on a loan to kangaroo. Okay. So kangaroo, you give it on loan to kangaroo. Okay. So she told, go and give it on a loan to that person. Okay. That particular animal she told. Okay. Now let us get this story very clearly. Your Amma told AB de Villiers to place order for nails. He went to Amazon. He placed order, and then some yellow hens came and gave some hangers. And that's not what he wanted. So he came to the class. Miss was sipping the pie, and Miss told him to give that hanger on a loan to kangaroo. Okay. So that's what I made a story. So this basically I made a story. So Amma, so asking AB de Villiers to place order for nails on Amazon site. One yellow, okay, some hens came and they delivered hanger, and he went to Miss who was sipping something, and then she told him to give that on loan to kangaroo. Okay, the story is okay. So I got all the 10 words. Amma is there, AB de Villiers is there, and the next one, nail is there, and then Amazon is there, yellow is there, right? After yellow, the next hence is there. Okay, after that, now hanger is there. After that, miss is sip is there, loan is there, and then last one is kangaroo is there. Once I know this story, Amma means what? Amur. Okay. AB de Villiers means what? AB means what? Obi river. Okay. Nail means Nilo river. Amazon means Amazon river. Yellow means Yellow river. Hensey means Hensey river. Okay. Hanger means Yangi river. Okay. Mississippi river. Already you know. Loan means Lena. Kangaroo means what? Congo river. So I get all those, okay, 10 rivers. Okay. Now look at this. Okay. This Amazon river. Okay. Nile river. Now Yangtze river, Mississippi, NC, okay, and then Yellow river, Obi river, Congo, Amur and Lena. So all of them you got very easy it is, right? So if you know this story, you'll be able to get all of them very easy. 10, and right, longest rivers of the world, it becomes so easy. So now I made one small story. So Amma told AB de Villiers to place order for some nails in Amazon and some yellow, hence came and gave hangers, and he went to Miss who was sipping, and then she told to give that on loan to kangaroo. Okay, right? So Amma means Amur, AB means Obi, Nail means Nile river, Amazon means Amazon river, Yellow river, NC river, Yangtze river, Mississippi, and then Lena, and then Congo. So you got all the 10 rivers. Now whether you're going for IAS exam or bank PO exam, you are in the school or you are in the 12th class, doesn't really matter. You'll be able to get all of them, and then maybe you can win even Kaun Bane Crorepati if you know this method. So simple. That means if you know the memory techniques, life is becoming very simple. And some of you say, sir, I want to learn all the memory techniques. You are keen? Then I'm going to show you some numbers. Look at this. Now JSimha Mind Education is the #1 memory academy in the whole country. So you can get in touch with us by calling up these numbers 9985031777, 9985041777, or you can log on to jsimha.in. You can attend our online memory courses, and then you also can mail me on this email ID, or else subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay connected, and then I'm committed to your growth. Only thing is you don't leave my hand, and then together we can always grow. So see you again. Till then, keep smiling. Bye bye.